What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. This is a review of the Titan 12T550 traxxas motor. So pretty much with any traxxas two-wheel drive car or not as fast cars, it's going to come with this. A lot of traxxas vehicles come with this. But yeah, this is the reason they use it is because it's a really good motor. For it's cheap. You can go, and I think it's like $20, $25. It's a really cheap motor, and it'll last you a while, so you don't have to go out and buy like a $200 motor if you don't want to. And they're really great for what you use them for, whether it's on a stampede like this or a slash like this. They're really great motors, great starter motors. And if you're starting out in the hobby, and let's just say you just bought a car off of eBay and it's a traxxas, all traxxas are mostly going to fit this motor. So and say you bought a car off of eBay and the motor's messed up or didn't come with the one, just go out traxxas.com or a local hobby shop and they will have this motor. It's a great motor. I love using this motor. I have no complaints about it, except that I wish it would last a little bit longer, but I tear these things up so much with gravel, dirt, dust, anything, grass. And I think it's just because I bang them up so much. I have to replace them so many times. I don't even remember which motor I'm on now, like what number. But yeah, these are fantastic motors. Traxxas uses them. That's why, because they're one of the best, cheapest, affordable motors out there. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this review. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and please subscribe. We're trying to get up in subscribers. So that is it. So I will catch you guys next time. Peace.